Welcome to the Hebrew Union College Library's video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we're going to continue looking at searching in the Bar Ilan Responsa Project. I've already gone to databases and limited my search to just Tanakh. So I want to know how many times Avraham appears in the Bible. So I'll do my search, and I find 139 instances. But I know that that's a bit of a problem because he changed his name. So let's go back to our search screen, and you can see we have several options that say or. So I have Avraham in my first box, but then I can type Avram in the second box. So it will find Avraham or Avram. So I'll do a search again, and we can see that increased it to 189 results. Okay, let's go further and say we want Abraham and Sarah. And she also changed her name. So we can put in the next box, component 2, Sarah, and put her former name, Sarai, and do the search. Okay, now we've just gotten 2 results, which seems very small. Let's look at this closely. These two are right next to each other. So it could be that they appear together in a verse, but with words in between them. So let's close this and go back to the search screen. Okay, now down here it says a distance. So let's say they can be up to 8 words apart. So I'll use the up arrow till I get to 8. I chose that somewhat randomly. You can pick whatever number you want and do another search. So here we have 20 results, and indeed they are separated by many words, and also notice that the order doesn't matter. Here's Avram first and then Sarai, here's Sarai and then Avram. And we can take this search one step further and add a third component. Let's type in Hagar. And again, we'll make her within 8 words of the other components and search. Okay, and here we found 2 verses where all 3 of them appear together. I'll go over one more trick. You'll notice when we look at Avraham versus Avram, there's only a difference of 1 letter between them. So we can actually do a wildcard search. So if I take out the hey, I can add an asterisk. And this means I want anything with these letters plus 0 to any number of letters in between will appear with this search. So let's try that one. And here you can see we have Avram, and when we scroll down, we have Avraham. If we did the same with Sarah and put the sin resh star, we would also get shirim, sharatz, shirtzu, all kinds of things. There's one other wild card, and that's the question mark. And that means exactly 1 character. So if I change the asterisk to a question mark, I'll show you what we get here. And now we get only Avraham because there has to be 1 character in here, so it did not pull up any of the Avrams. And lastly, I'll mention searching for phrases. This is actually very easy to do in either the simple search or advanced search screens. In either case, you can just type your phrase in and do your search. So if you could not remember where in Masechet Avot Lo Alecha Hamlacha Ligmor was, you can easily see here now that it's in chapter 2, Mishnah 16. I know that using the Bar Ilan Responsa Project can be a little bit intimidating, but remember that the HUC librarians are here to help you. Stop in at one of the campus libraries or email us at clow@huc.edu.